What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jay Harad. This is Cooking with Jay Harad, man, and today what we're going to jump into is we're going to get into a fried oyster mushroom sandwich, man. It's about time to get away from all those sandwiches that we see, the KFC sandwich, the Popeye sandwich, the McDonald's sandwich, the Wendy's sandwich, the Chick-fil-A sandwich. We can go on and on about the sandwiches, but this right here, this oyster mushroom sandwich is literally going to fulfill and satisfy you the same exact way that those sandwiches do. So let's jump right into this video, man. Let's go right into the ingredients of what we actually need. Alright y'all, so these are literally the simplest ingredients for the fried oyster mushroom sandwich. First we want to get that organic, unbleached, all-purpose flour, man. See, we want the oyster mushrooms. You can get this, if you're in Florida, I got these from Sprouts. It's the only spot that I have found them. Oops. The only spot that I have found them. Then we got, you obviously guys can use whatever seasonings you want. These are just the go-tos for me. Onion powder and adobo. And then what we're gonna do is make the wet batter first. Make sure you have 2 bowls and then the dry batter. And yeah, let's jump right into it, man, real simple. I know how to eyeball it. That's all you need. That's all you need to make a sandwich. All right, so you put the flour into these bowls, put that to the side. Then what you want to do is you want to hit them with your seasonings now. This is my favorite seasoning, man. I usually use this with everything. You just want to do the same to both. Do the same to both. Alright. Then you want to take that onion powder. Put that onion powder in there. Do it to both. Then you want to take that adobo, put it in there as well. Don't miss the spot. Bam. Just like that. Alright. Now what you guys want to do is you want to get some water for this wet batter. Take this right to the fridge. Alright. Whatever you want to mix it with, go ahead and do that. Got that wet batter going. This is where we're going to literally dump the oyster mushrooms right in there. Real simple for y'all. If you guys have a fryer, make sure you get a deep fryer so it makes the job a lot more easier. You just dip it right in there, right into the oil. This is on 400 degrees. It's already preheated. So I'm going to get a close-up on doing this process here so you guys can see it. Look at that nice, look at these nice oyster mushrooms, man. Beautiful. And what we're going to do, and you guys can make, I'm going to make another video doing tenders. It's literally the same thing, but you can do whatever you want, honestly. You can take these off. We're going to use this for the sandwich here, and then you can cut the base off here. Then you got all these mushrooms right here. And then what you want to do is stick it in there just like that. Make sure the whole thing is covered. Yeah, you won't get your hands dirty. Go ahead and do it. What's fun cooking if you don't? Then what you want to do, let me guess, y'all some smart ducklings. You just put it right up in there. With the batter, man. The whole thing. Whole thing. You guys seen us make the mushroom sandwich. Now it's time to actually make it into a sandwich, man. These are my favorite rolls. The Burchard buns is nice and sweet, nice and these buns are pretty awesome. They're good. It's a great feel for it. And then what you want to do is have lettuce too on top of that. I love mayo, so I'm going to go ahead and grab some mayo. Got some mayo on the sandwich. And look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this nice oyster mushroom. It is beautiful. It is a great feel. just like anything else, man. So now we're gonna plate it up. All right, get some mayo here. On that sandwich bread. Some mayo at the top. I'm a mayo person. It's good. And then I also want some sriracha. Get some sriracha, man. You put that right there, just like that. Put some on the top as well. Then you want to just plate this nice oyster mushroom right on there. Oh my gosh, look at that. And if you want, only if you want, you can go ahead and put some cheese on top, which I'm about to do. Alright, put some cheese on top. Get some cheese. Now you want to get this lettuce. Put it right on top like that. Then, if you want, you can put tomato, but I don't have any tomatoes right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put avocado on top. None of my avocados are ripe, so go like this. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Don't it look just like a Popeye sandwich, man? Look how beautiful that is, man. All right, y'all, now it's time to eat our substitute of all those crazy sandwiches out there. Don't it look the exact same, man? One with tea. This thing is always fire every time I eat it. Like, subscribe, comment, y'all. I gotta eat my sandwich.